Hello and welcome to my video. Today you will have a Dutch lesson. It's about short and long sounds. It's about the vowel A or A if it's a long sound. I made this video in Dutch, but for Coursera I do it again but in English, so you can also see what I did with the students. At first, some examples. A short vowel. Man, A. Of maan, long. As you can see, the word is nearly the same. It starts with the M and the N, same for here. But in the middle you see it's a short one, A, and here it's long, A. But the meaning of the word is very different. This is a man, this is the moon. Man, maan, man, maan. Another example. Hak, short. Haak, long. Hak, haak. One difference, but it's a big one. Mag, it means may I get a cookie? Of maag, stomach. Mag, maag. Last example. Lat, laat. Lat, laat. Let's try it. I will read the sentence, but I left out the vowel in the middle. But I will read it, you can listen to it and then think about it, if it's a long or a short vowel. Okay, let's start. De man stapt in de lift. De man stapt in de lift. Second one. Het is volle maan. Het is volle maan. Let's see. Short. De man stapt in de lift. And the second one. Het is volle maan. Moon. Hak, haak. Hang de jas maar aan die haak. Hang de jas maar aan die haak. De hak van mijn schoen zit los. De hak van mijn schoen zit los. Did you hear it? Which one is long? Which one is short? First one is long. Hang de jas maar aan die haak. The second one is short. De hak van mijn schoen zit los. Mag, maag. Mag, maag. Now in the sentence. Mag ik op jouw feest komen? Mag ik op jouw feest komen? Mijn maag knort. Mijn maag knort. Short, long. And now the last one. Lat of laat. Laat je de poes even binnen. Laat je de poes even binnen. Die lat bij de deur zit los. Long and short. So this was a small introduction video, but you can do exercises at this website, Junior Einstein's Dutch website. You can see the link to the website in the description down below the video. You can just start with the first one, and this is an example for the exercise. You have to fill in an A or an A. I know it's too difficult for you, the Coursera public, but of course my students already practice with it, and it's just an extra exercise to hear the sounds of the vowels in the Dutch language, the A or the A, and they can practice with it. Thank you for watching, leave a rating, and good luck with the course for you. Bye bye.